Okay, I'm getting this really horrible clunking sound. It's a 1998 Dodge Stratus, and it doesn't happen so much when I accelerate, you see, and when I put on the brake, it doesn't happen. But there it is when I'm coasting. It's coming from the driver's front wheel there. I was thinking it had something to do with the brakes, but I'm not sure, because when I apply the brakes, it stops. So I've got to get under there and diagnose and figure out what the heck's going on. But if anyone has a similar problem with the similar car, they can let me know in the comments below.